Kuresa of Nassau, Kuresa Nassau, Uru of Tokelau, to deliver a statement on behalf of New Zealand.
President of the Conference of Yongala Palmia, Heads of States and Government, Secretary General of the Conference, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. President, kia ora and maloni, and I convey warm Tokelau and New Zealand greetings. On behalf of the people of Tokelau, I want to acknowledge God, our Heavenly Father, for His guidance making this event possible. I commend the government of Samoa for bringing the world to the Pacific. Samoa has been working tirelessly to ensure that small islands like ours can attend this SIDS conference. Tokelau may not be an independent state, but we are a true small island developing state. Our total area is approximately 12 square kilometers, and our land is only 3 to 6 meters above sea level at the highest point. I also wish to extend Tokelau's sincere appreciation to the government of New Zealand, who has given our people an opportunity to add our unique voice to this global family. Tokelau is proud to be represented at this important meeting and to share with you a brief glimpse of our reality. A number of distinguished delegates may not have heard of Tokelau before today. This is not surprising, as we are one of the world's most geographically isolated nations. Located 500 kilometers north of Samoa, there are only 1,400 of us living across our 3 atolls. You can only reach our shores by taking a 24-hour boat journey from here, from Samoa. At breakfast this morning with leaders of other low-lying atoll nations, we confirmed the devastation the impact of climate change has had and continues to have on our islands. As the front line to the impact of climate change, low-lying atolls are more vulnerable to natural disasters and climate change. Let me be clear. Climate change is already having a negative impact on Tokelau and other atolls like ours. We are seeing signs of coastal erosion and ocean acidifications. This is of deep concern to us due to our fragile biodiversity and the fact that revenue from our fisheries resource is a significant source of income. SIDS as a global family must face the challenges of climate change head-on. This is our duty to our future generations. We must not fail. The question is, what if the impacts of climate change are not addressed properly for small islands such as ours? Our people stand to lose not only our unique environment and land, but also our culture, language, and traditions, which are our identity. The situation looks bleak, yet despite our size and our minimal carbon footprint, Tokelau is leading by example in the Pacific region by switching from diesel-generated electricity to clean, renewable, and reliable solar energy. We partnered up with New Zealand for the Tokelau Renewable Energy Project. Since 2012, solar arrays installed on each atoll supply 90% of Tokelau electricity needs. That makes Tokelau one of the world's top nations in renewably sourced electricity and the first one to run almost exclusively on solar-generated power. This project shows the world the vision of the leaders and communities in Tokelau for a better and more sustainable future. My challenge to us here today is to agree as SIDS collectively on a platform for action going forward. If Tokelau can achieve such a good result in a renewable energy space, just imagine what we as SIDS can do together. We must unite and be strong. Let no one be left behind, nor let us shy away from difficult conversations. To the people and the government of the independent state of Samoa, you have made Samoa and the Pacific family very, very proud. We can only pray that your efforts and bring us closer to the ultimate goal of ensuring a safer and sustainable future for our region and beyond. Let me convey a big thank you. Thank you and God bless.
I thank the Ulu of Tokelau, speaking on behalf of New Zealand, another island slightly bigger than Tokelau and